Hello, hope all are doing good. Today we are discussing about decisions and the role of suggestion in it. Whether decision is small or big, wrong or right, but it plays important role in our life. Right? If anything is impacting us a lot, then why not it should be in the right path or right track? So we are here find out some solutions or answers to the question how we can take the right decision at right time. Let's talk about the first point. You might have the experience of confusion in between your mind and heart. You want to do something, your heart is telling something else. In that case, if you'll ask me, then I'll suggest you please go with your heart because of course it's better. But sometimes even mind says something good. So, it doesn't matter what the decision you are going to take. But it must matter how you are following it, how you are dealing with it, how you are preparing yourself to accept the consequence or the result, how you are making the result positive for yourself and for the surroundings. The next point, make clear yourself about all the double-edged questions related to your decision, right? Like what, when, how, where, everything. How to take the decision, where to whom to ask, why I should take this. All the thing if you will clear, then of course you can take a better decision. The next point, which is very close to me, which I have studied somewhere, even experimented on me, which you might have that experience also. Before taking the decision, you should discuss with the partner, To me, partner is the Almighty, the Supreme Power. Or in your word, he or she may be your best friend, your source of inspiration. For Hindus, he or she may be God or Goddess. For Muslims, Allah. For Christians, Jesus. In which name you want to call it, I don't know. But if you were putting that discussion in front of him or her, then it would be better, Because to me, spirituality is nothing to know yourself better. To be very clear about yourself. So being a spiritual person, if I'll put more thoughts in it, if I'll do the analysis more, then of course I can take the better decision, right? And of course, the time span will be very less. With very short time span, we can take the right decision. Some of you might have that experience. If not, then please try it out. Of course, you will win. Then, next point, which is very important, which is very crucial, the role of suggestion in decision making. We should be very open towards suggestions, Sometimes it also happens we don't want someone, might be our near and dear, we don't want someone to be involved with me. Or I don't want his or her suggestion, but they give. But frankly speaking, it's also good, Sometimes that suggestion will open our eye, will open our mind. And there are so many things, so many types of suggestion. Overall, I will discuss 3 points which can be very effective. First point, let's discuss one example so we can better understand. For example, I want to start a business. So, there will be different types of suggestions, but mainly to whom I should ask. There mainly 3 persons will be there. First, who doesn't know anything regarding business, a tidbit of business, because he might be a job holder or anybody else. Second point, a successful businessman. Third point, a failure businessman or who failed in business. If you ask me first point, please ignore them because what suggestion they are going to give you might be based on assumptions which may be a blunder for you. Let's come to next point. Of course, who is a successful businessman? He is having practical experience, so he can guide better, We can learn so many things from him. Then let's come to the last point, that is, who is a failure businessman? What do you think? We can learn something from him or not? Of course, we can learn so many things. Always it's not true that success keys are always can be given by successful persons. Many times also it happens, the person who is failure or the person who has failed in his life, he knows the better way how you can lead your life. Because we all are intelligent, right? It's better to learn from others' mistake. So if someone is guiding us where the lacuna he has faced a problem, why he was failure, so of course it's a better option, right? So we can take his suggestion. At the end, what do you think? I will allow others to take my decision. I will allow this, forget about first point, other two category people to take my decision. No, never. Never allow anyone to take your decision. Because take everybody's suggestion, but decision always should be yours. Because there is a hidden excuse within it, When something has happened, I'll tell, he has done this, that's the reason, this is the result. He has advised me, that's the reason I faced this. She has told me, that's the reason it has happened. But whenever you are taking your decision, there won't be any hidden excuse, You will be very strong enough to deal with it. And think about the consequence. If it is bad experience, if it will be a bad decision, then it would be easy for you to deal with it if you were the owner of your decision. That means you are making yourself responsible for your decision. But whenever I am allowing others to take my decision, it's very difficult, By thinking again and again, I might have done this, I might have done this, why I have listened to him or her, your life is going to hell. It's too difficult to go ahead or come back from it. It's very difficult. But whenever I am responsible myself, so it's easy to move ahead, whether it may be wrong or right. The next point, after doing all these things, might be I have done all this, followed all the points. Then also there is the possibility of what? Bad decision. So what will happen? Please study or notice that behind all the successful persons, there is a hidden story, not a. There may be so many stories of failure, You might have thought that, exceptions are there. Some people are born with silver spoon, some people are born with good deeds. But frankly speaking, 80 to 90% successful persons might have faced so many failure in their life. And that bad decision or that consequence will push us to go ahead, to achieve what we want or to achieve more than what we are wanting. It will force us to go ahead and to balance in between dream and desire. And another thing, deserve. What we deserve, what we desire and what we dream. If there will be very good combination, then of course there will be success. And this failure can guide us. So be strong enough, never allow anyone to take your decision.